Since I'm reorganizing this area in the basement, I wanted to share with you some ideas that I've used over the years to organize Legos. My sons are grown. They've been out of the house for quite some time, but I have saved some of their Lego sets. Eventually, they'll have them at their own homes. But over the years, I have taken time to reorganize. Now, this isn't perfect. I have to tweak some things that I've changed. But for example, in one container, I checked the pieces, and if there were anything missing, I made the decision, am I going to sell the set as is or find replacement parts? So a lot of these I have found replacement parts on eBay or other websites. I think I even got some things at legos.com at one point. So here's an example. I made a label and I put the set number on it. And then over here is just minifigures that really didn't belong to any sets. This is something miscellaneous I'm working on. I have that, and then I have in here miscellaneous, like the flowers and things. I'll label that. I might have to reorganize that. And I used to foster kids, so I have a couple of the preschool Legos I'm keeping for just a little bit. I don't have grandchildren, but I sometimes get them to people I know. And then I haven't organized the big castle sets lately, but I did that a few years ago. Um, I have to make some decisions on that. I still have 4 castle sets, and one doesn't even have a base. So I have some more decisions to make. Let's go back up here. I believe I found every replacement part for that. Now, if I had a set that I don't have everything for it, I put like a note inside. I don't know if you can see that. I put notes like where I left off on finding parts for it so that I can go back and hopefully I'll know where I left off. Anyway, oh, one more thing over here. I have, yeah, sorry for all the wiggling, but this was the easiest way to do it. For now, I have extra Legos I have by color, and I'm not sure if I'll keep it that way, but it worked for the time being. I had extra that didn't belong to any specific set, or maybe they were misplaced, but oh, and then up here I have vehicle parts. Sometimes I don't know or remember the parts per set, so I just hang on to them best I can and organize until I can ask my sons or I can look it up. At some point, you have to accept that it's not going to be perfect. But I have a designated area and all the containers are consistent. So I really think that helps my brain handle all of this. It can get to be a little overwhelming, but this is just a way I found that works for me, and I hope someone finds this helpful.